Welcome to this video showing Brent's K5 Blazer getting a dash restoration. This is Brent's 1988 K5 Blazer Silverado package, and it's in great shape, but look at that dash. It really needs some help. One of our first steps is to clean the existing dash so we can do a test fit with our Coverlay dash cover. We're going to make sure the Coverlay dash cover fits over the original dash as it should, so it basically looks like a new dash when installed. Now we're going to silicone the Coverlay dash cover, and it's very important to apply the silicone correctly. This adhesive that we provide goes around the edge of the cover and then around any opening. Now we have our silicone adhesive on, and we'll install the dash cover to the dashboard, making sure that it fits snugly, it's pressed into place, and then we'll put some tape and weighted objects on it as well to let it cure. It's best to let it sit and dry overnight before you take off the tape and the weighted objects. Now it's time to reveal the new dash. With the Coverlay dash cover on, it looks good as new. Now let's hear from Brent and see what he thinks about his new dash cover.
Right, because it has a cracked dash. I had the same problem, but now look, thanks to my friend Coverlay, it's a brand new dash.
So you heard it from the customer, brand new dash after a dash cover is installed. Look at these before and after photos. Thanks for watching. Let us know if we can help you restore your vehicle.